Hello, I'm Sunny. The word of the day is 路. In this video, I will teach you how to pronounce it, how to write it, and how to use it. First, let's read together. 我们一起读路 了 u 路 So pay attention. Here is u 了 u 路 Very good. Now let's write together. 我们一起写竖横折横竖横竖提撇横撇捺竖横折横路 How we use 路 路 have two meanings. First one, it means road, path, or way. This is its common use. So pay attention. When 路 as a noun, the measure word of 路 is 条. So this road, we say 这条路. So pay attention. Here is 条, not the common one 个. So you need to say 这条路. No, say 这个路. And always we say on the way. So on the way means 在路上. Means on the way to home. 在回家路上 On the way to school 在去学校的路上 And second meaning is indicate a bus route. So in English we always say bus number 9, but how to say in Chinese? We directly say 9路公车 Okay, that is all. If you like today's video, please like and share it to your friends. See you next time. Bye bye. Mm-hmm.